Kia ora, my name is Rowan Johanson and I'm one of the directors here at the Education Group. One of our key courses is how to be an effective dean. This is a course for aspiring deans and deans in their first few years of practice to really get a foundation for how to be as effective as you can be in that role. It comes out of 20 years of experience working with deans and with pastoral teams. And the course is really about getting really practical tools that help us to get the best outcomes for our most at-risk young people. Key outcomes for deans is you get a really great chance to connect with a range of people from other schools and to learn about what works in their schools and to discuss different approaches that could work in your school. The course will cover best practice and what we know really works for our most at-risk students. It covers really practical things that you can do that are inside your control to get the best outcomes for young people. And it gives a lot of time for us to look at practical strategies and to apply these to real life scenarios that you may face in your role as dean. If you'd like to be part of this workshop, we'd love to hear from you. Please go to our website and get in touch with us, and you can be part of the 2-day workshop and part of our community.